Okay, there's a gentle hill. But nonetheless, it's when you're into the ride, it's quite a hard one to deal with unassisted. And quite demoralizing. Normally I would be 4, 5, 6 miles an hour and counting up this hill, praying for it to end. With the assist, it's over quite quickly. But if I'm working hard, then I still count. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the right, 1, 2, 3 left heel, 1, 2, 3 right heel, 1, 2, 3 left toe, 1, 2, 3 right toe, 1, 2, 3 right heel, 1, 2, 3 left toe, flat. Nearly lost it then. Trying something different.